suddenly he's going forwards. That's the over-the-shoulder departure. Coming back round again, into the hover, stopping right over the display centre in front of us there. And going straight into a 360-degree turn, climbing 360 degrees. And when he gets to the top, watch for a violent pitch over, the aircraft going almost 90 degrees down and doing a spiral descent. Here it comes. Whoa, that does look uncomfortable. Spiral descent. Hope their straps are well done. And when he comes back in front of us this time, it's almost the end of the display, so Simon Wilson and Mike Curd of the Royal Navy will be taking a bow, and they'll also be waving, so give them a good wave. And here's the bow coming up. And I think I can see them waving out of the cockpit windows. Thank you, gentlemen.